Now student, we are going to discuss question number 5.22, and in this question it is given to you a monoenergetic 18 kilo electron volt electron beam initially in horizontal direction is subjected to horizontal magnetic field of 0.04 Gauss normal to initial direction. Clear? So first let us try to understand this given situation. An electron is already having some initial kinetic energy because it is given this monoenergetic electron, and this value is given to you, that is initial energy. Clear? So we can write like this: initial kinetic energy. It means I can say half of mv square. This is given to you in 18 kilo electron volt. Clear? Or you can see, if we write in terms of formula, we can say this is equal to what? We can say this is equal to EV. Clear? You know very well W, potential difference. Potential difference is given by W by Q. So from there we can write W equal to Q times of V, and Q is given here, that is charge of an electron. So this is equal to EV. Clear? So always keep in mind, this V is what? That is potential difference, and this V is what? That is velocity. So can we calculate here value V? Yes, this is given by under root of 2 EV divided by, I can say, that is M. Yes or no? Yes. Now it is also given in this question, this electron beam is actually going in horizontal direction. So let's suppose I am saying this electron is going in this direction, and let's suppose this is position of that electron. Clear? And it is also given it is subjected to a magnetic field, initial horizontal magnetic field, but normal to its initial direction. It means I can see this magnetic, the force, we can say this magnetic field, the value of magnetic field that is perpendicular to this is initial direction. Clear? So definitely we can say when V and B both are perpendicular, at that time a force will act on this particle. Yes or no? And definitely it will move in a circular path. Clear? This concept will definitely clear to you. Clear? So now we can say, let's suppose this electron is moving in this circular path. Clear? So concentrate. So now it is clear to you, it is completely clear to you, this electron will move in a circular path. So let's suppose I am taking this as a center. Clear? And now let us try to understand what is this question. Question is saying to you, estimate the up or down deflection of a beam over a distance of 30 centimeter. Means when this electron beam is moving 30 centimeter in horizontal direction, what is total distance covered in a vertical direction, you have to find. Clear? So very simple question we have. We can say, let's suppose after some time, let's suppose this electron will be at this position. I can say this is radius r. Clear? Now we can say here this distance covered is x, and let's suppose this distance we have y. Clear? So overall my objective in this question is to calculate y. Y is given by, I can say, this distance total we have r. Let's suppose I am taking this angle theta, so we can say this value we have r cos of theta. Clear? This r cos theta. So from here you can write like this, r minus cos theta. Clear? So we can say r 1 minus cos of theta. Clear? So I can also write like this, y equal to r 1 minus cos theta. How can we write here cos theta? We can write like this, 1 minus we can say 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, and we can say that is power half. Clear? Like this. Yes or no? Cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta equal to what? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. I am saying this is cos theta, so I can say this is 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Clear? Or if you are getting confused, you can directly say we are getting value of the y, or we can say that is the deflection in a vertical direction. This is given by r1 minus cos theta. Clear? Now listen very carefully. Now our sole objective here first is to calculate value of r. Clear? And second our objective here is to calculate theta. Okay? So how can we calculate here value of r? Now it is very clear, this electron is actually going in a circular path because magnetic field is acting perpendicular to its initial direction. Clear? So from there we can say radius, or we can say this radius capital R. How can we calculate this capital R? directly you know formula, capital R, this is given by mv by qb. From where we are getting this formula? Actually, when this electron is moving in this circular path, the necessary centripetal force it is provided by, I can say, necessary centripetal force provided by magnetic force. Clear? Or in short, you can write like this: QVB, this should be equal to mv square by capital R. Clear? From here we can say V and V cancelled out, and from here you can write R equal to mv by QB. Clear to everyone? Yes. Now we have to write here first value of V in this formula. So we can say this is m by qb and under root of this is 2ev divided by m. Clear? From here you can say this is actually q. Q we can say this is charge of an electron. So directly you can say this is given by under root of 2 m e v divided by, I can say this is equal to what? This is E, yes, this is we can say, just a minute. Now from here we can write like this value of V, this is under root of 2 EV by M. Clear? And this is MV by QB. Clear? So I can see value of R, this is given by M divided by EB under root of 2 EV by M. Clear? So from here we can write like this value of R under root of 2 m EV divided by EB. Clear? Now we can put here all the values and we can get our answer. So I am writing here all values. First I am writing here mass of electron, this is given in a question 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. Clear? Multiply charge of an electron. Charge of an electron is given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Clear? Potential difference. Now potential difference is given to you 18 kilovolt. So we can write like this, this is 18 into 10 to the power 3 volt. Clear? This is also in a square root. Clear? It is divided by, I can say this is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 multiplied with B. B is given to you 0.04 Gauss. So we can convert into Tesla like this. Clear? Now we have to simplify this calculation. Clear? So now we can write like this value of R, this is given by under root of, clear, 10 to the power minus 31 minus 19, 10 to the power minus 40, and we can say this is 10 to the power minus 37. So 10 to the power minus 37. Clear? Now 2 multiply 9.1, we can say 18.2. So 18.2 multiply, I can say this is 1.6 into, I can say this is 18. Yes or no? Now it is divided by 10 to the power minus 19, 10 to the power minus 4. I can say this is 10 to the power minus 23. Clear? And 1.6 multiply 0.04. Clear? So now if you solve this calculation and if you take square root and if you divide by all these values, clear, you will get here value of capital R, and this is given by 11.3 meter. Clear? Approximate value I am saying this is 11.3 meter. Now you can calculate like this. This is 18, approximately you can take 18, and this is 16. So if you multiply 18 with 16, or directly you can say 18 multiply 18, 324, 324 multiply 1.6. Directly you can say that is 1.6 times, and then take square root, or you can also write like this 324, if you take square root that becomes 18. Clear? And 1.6, this becomes 0.4. Yes or no? We can say, or you can write like this, 4 by under root of 10. Clear? Or you can say 4 multiply 10 to the power minus 38. So 4 becomes 2, and this becomes 10 to the power minus 19. Clear to you? So if you solve it, definitely you will get here value equal to 11.3 meter. Clear? So now you can say, sometimes students say, sir, please do some calculation. So okay, we can do some calculation. I am just giving you a rough idea, but okay, let's do here some calculation. So value of R we can write like this. I am just assuming 18 multiply 18. So I can say this is 18 square multiply 1.6. I can say this is 16 into 10 to the power minus 38 divided by 1.6. So directly write here 16 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is 10 to the power minus 26. Clear? So we can write like this, this is 18 multiply 4 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by, I can say 4, this is 16 into 10 to the power minus 26. Clear to you? So now if you solve it, definitely you will get here answer. Clear? So this is 1.6, actually this is what, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 and 4 into 10 to the power minus, this is 21. Clear? My dear student, this is 21. This one is 21. Listen carefully. This is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, or we can say 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Clear? Or directly we can calculate it. Clear? Listen carefully. So in denominator we are getting 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 and we can say 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Clear? So we are getting here 16 into 4 and that is 10 to the power minus 22. So I am saying this is 10 to the power minus 22 minus 22. Clear? So now we can write like this. Yes. So from here we can see 4 and 4, this one is cancelled out. Clear? And this is 16. Clear? So 22 this one we have, and we can say that is 19. So we can say this is 10 to the power 3. Clear? So if you solve it, approximately you will find that is 11.3 meter. That's final. Clear? You can do some calculation. Clear? Yes. So now we can see what is our objective. That is very important. Our objective in this question is to calculate value of this y. Clear? So we are getting value of r, that is 11.3 meter. So I can say this value we have 11.3 meter. Clear? So now can we find here value of this theta? Yes. Directly I can say what is value of sine of theta. Sine theta is given by x by r. Clear? Value of x we have 30 centimeter. I can say this is 0.30 meter divided by r, we are getting 11.3. Clear? So from here we can write like this, value of sine theta, this is given by 3 divided by 113. Clear to you? Sine theta equal to 3 divided by 113. So now that's why I am saying to you here, it is always better to write value of sine theta. Clear? So now we can write that value. Yes, definitely slightly actually calculation will be lengthy in this question. Clear? Due to some variables, but if you talk about concept, the concept is very simple. Clear? Yes. So from here now we can see if you put here value of y, value of r is given to you, this is 11.3. So 11.3, 1 minus, I can say this is cos of theta. So dear student, now you can write like this, y, this is given by 11.3, 1 minus. Now cos theta, how can we write cos theta? We can write like this, 1 minus 2 sine square theta under root. Clear? So now we can also write like this, y value, this is 11.3, 1 minus 1 plus, I can say 1 by 2 into 2 sine square theta. Clear? Actually I am assuming here the value of this 2 sine square theta is very less compared to 1, because you can see here sine theta value we have 3 upon 113, and we are doing square of it. Definitely this value will come out to be very less than 1. Clear? So 2 and 2 is cancelled out, 1 and 1 is also cancelled. So from here I can say 11.3 multiply sine square theta. Clear? So what is value of sine theta? 3 upon 113. So 11.3 multiply 3 upon 113 multiply 3 upon 113. So from here you can say this one and this one cancelled out. Yes or no? So from here we are getting value y, this is equal to 9 divided by 10 into 113. So from here you can say 0.9 divided by 113. Clear? So if you solve it, you will find here value, this is equal to approximately 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Clear? So like this we can calculate here deflection in an up or down direction, and this will be come out to be near about 4 mm. Clear? So this is all about this question.